Before becoming a full-time filmmaker, I used to work as a professional dancer for artists, an aerialist on the Las Vegas Strip, and I've even been in a Magic Mike movie, which that was one of the biggest accomplishments as a dancer. In case we haven't met before, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Anton. I'm a filmmaker, aerial cinematographer, and a father. All these skills that I've brought on as a performer, I'm bringing them with me as a filmmaker now. And they've allowed me to shoot for big clients like Red Bull, F1, Bugatti, UFC. Since I've embarked on this journey as a filmmaker, I've created thousands of videos that have generated millions of views. And I figured this channel is my opportunity to not only share everything I've learned, but bring you along this journey. If you're into filmmaking and like to be part of an adventure, then subscribe. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Till next time.